Hey guys, so welcome to product unboxing. So today obviously we're gonna be unboxing another item that I bought online. So yeah, I just got rid of my address there. Slice it like so. Yeah. Oh, here's the item. What is this? It's my packing slip. I'm not gonna show that because it has my private information. So this is what I got. It's an epilator. I like it because it has 3 accessories included. You can use it for wet and dry, so it's really good. Like it's for hair plucking. It seems really promising, that's why I got this one. And it has a 2-year warranty over there, so it's really nice. And this is the back page, not like the back of the box. So we're gonna open it up. We shall see what's inside. So it has this thing to protect the item. So it's this styrofoam thingy. Ooh, what is this? I'm not sure what this paper is for. Oh, so it says you have to epilate like that way, 90-degree angle when you use it. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Oh, it looks really nice for wet and dry. And it's you can use it wireless as well, so it's really good and more convenient, because I had one before that it's not wireless, so whenever you use it, it has to be plugged in, which is kind of annoying, but yeah. So this is way better. And then for the accessories, so what is this? Oh, so you can't use it when it's plugged in. It's a no, as it says on the instructions. So yes, just a little reminder for you all. And you can see it's Philips. And I don't know what this is for. Oh, it's just a pouch. Let's have a look what's inside. Just like this. Oh, it's pretty simple. Just to put this charger, and you can put accessories as well in this pouch. And this is one of the accessories. Oh, it's like a shaver. Yes, that's a shaver. And what is this? I'm not sure what this is for, but oh, I think it's for so your hair will it's like easier to grip. I'm not really sure, but yeah. We'll find out eventually. So yeah, just like that. And this is the manual. Just some instructions, things like that. You can read it if you bought one of these. And this is the warranty. It's for New Zealand and Australia. So if you live in Australia and New Zealand, you will get one of these. And also, what is this one? Oh, this is like another manual as well on how to use this item if you don't know how to use it. So yeah. Oh, and this thing as well, if you want it to clean, this is the last accessory. So like that, with this here. So yeah, that's all for today. Thanks for watching.